The Jennie Lake Trail north of Idaho City is one of those trails that keeps your attention from start to finish. It's a great hike while you're going with the flowers in the creek. It's also a great hike when you get there to the lake at the end. The hike begins at 6,030 feet of elevation, ends up at about 7,800, so almost 8,000 feet up. You'll definitely feel that when you get there. It's an 1,800 foot elevation gain during the hike, so it's a moderate hike, but you're gonna feel it while you're doing it. The hike is 4.4 miles one way. For the first half of that hike, you're just hiking a little bit above Bear Creek, which provides some nice views and forest and shade, some waterfalls along the creek. The second half of the hike, you're out in the open amid a whole bunch of wildflowers this year, which provides some spectacular scenery. Once you get to Jennie Lake, you'll notice the lake has kind of a green hue to it. Big rocky Wolf Mountain behind it. You're just kind of on the backside of the Sawtooths at that point. And if you look closely along the shallows of the lake, you'll see some 14, 16-inch trout swimming around. The fish have been a little bit bigger than normal this year, and so make sure to take your fishing rod if you like to fish. You can do Jennie Lake as a day hike. We did it in about 5 hours round trip, including a half hour or so lunch stop. But the most popular thing to do is to go up there, backpack, and spend a night or two. There are some primitive sites scattered around the lake for people who like to backpack in, and it gets really popular there Friday through Sunday, July and August. If you go during the week though, or go say after Labor Day, you can get up there and be there all by yourself.